Knowing how to navigate your State Farm structural damage claim is crucial when your home takes a hit. First, let's quickly break down the basics. What exactly is covered under structural damage? Your policy typically covers damage to the physical structure of your home, including the foundation, walls, roof, things that keep the rain out and the house standing. Next, find your policy document and locate the section on perils. Why these are the specific events that your policy covers, like fire, wind, hail, and sometimes even things like falling objects. Make sure the damage to your home is caused by one of these covered perils, otherwise, your claim might be denied. Now, turn towards the conditions section. This is where you'll find important details about your responsibilities. For instance, it will tell you how long you have to file a claim after the damage occurs. Usually, you have a reasonable time frame, but it's best to act fast. Understanding the coverage limits is critical. Your policy specifies the maximum amount State Farm will pay for structural damage. Carefully check these figures, keeping in mind that your policy likely has a deductible, the amount you pay out of pocket before the insurance kicks in. Finally, what to do after the damage. Contact State Farm to report the damage. They'll assign an adjuster to assess the damage. Document everything, take photos, make notes. These are your best allies when it comes to the claim. Remember, understanding your policy upfront helps you navigate the system more smoothly. Use this knowledge and stay informed. You're better prepared to protect your home.